Hi guys, I'm Shraddha. Welcome to my channel, and today we are doing another challenge. So if you have seen my last video, we have gone to all of these super luxury hotels and we spent a lot of money. So in today's video, we are going to be surviving in 250 rupees for the entire day. There are going to be 4 meals as ever. There's going to be breakfast, lunch, evening snack and then dinner. Right now we are going for breakfast, so I have to it is 250 rupees for one person, so I have to calculate in accordance with that. So I have to have 4 complete meals in under 250 rupees. So yeah, now we are going to be going for breakfast. To be honest, all these places are not very new to me. Have tried almost all of them and I really love them, so it could also be like a suggestion for like budget friendly places. So right now we are going to be going for breakfast. So yeah, see you there. So guys, we are here at the breakfast place. This is called as Ram Barose. They got amazing breakfast. We are actually taking idli because it retails for only 40 rupees. But if I would come here normally, I wouldn't pick that because I'm more of like a dosa person. So I would obviously have like cheese dosa or something like that. Butter masala dosa is also my favorite here. But now we are going to be having idli, which is for 40 rupees. Let's go have it. So guys, this is how the idli looks like. It looks like, I don't know, something else, but yeah, it is idli. If you can see, they just added a lot of chutney on it and I love this powder. So yeah, and it retails for 35 rupees and not 40 rupees. 50 minus 35 is 15 rupees. So yeah, we have 215 rupees for lunch, snack and dinner. So let's taste it. So guys, I'm tasting it right now. It's not the first time though, but so good. Usually I'm not at all an idli person, but this is one place where I love to eat idli. You know, it's so thin and it just melts in your mouth. So even when you're like feeling sick in times, you can totally have it. So yeah, I absolutely love this place. And yeah, if you're looking for like a budget friendly place for like a super great idli, you can totally come here. All the addresses and everything will be placed down in the description box below in case you want to check it out. Hi guys, so it's almost evening now and we are just done with the college and now we are going to have lunch. So we are going to this place called The Joint. It has the best shawarma in town, that is what I feel. So we are going to be having shawarma for lunch. Guys, here's the lunch. We have the shawarma. This is the best shawarma, I can say that. And I also took some Pepsi and some water bottle. This is the water bottle. So this is the lunch. So if you can see, it is for 2 people obviously. So the shawarma, one shawarma is for like 110 rupees. We got 2 shawarmas for 220. So 110 plus the cool drink is for 20 rupees. So 130. Plus water bottle for 10 rupees, so 140. So the bill for lunch is 140 rupees. So guys, we are left with 75 rupees for the evening snack and dinner, which is a little tough, tight on the budget, but we'll see, we'll make it work somehow. So guys, I'm going to be having the bite. Now that I'm trying it for the first time again, but the best shawarma in Hyderabad. I know one shawarma cannot really be filling for a lot of people, but it is for me. But as you can see, it has a lot of stuffing in it, so it is more than enough for me. If you have tried better shawarma than this, do let me know. But I feel this is the best shawarma in Hyderabad. See you for snack. Hey guys, it's snack time. Now that we are super low and tight on budget and I have just had my lunch, I couldn't even complete the entire shawarma, to be honest. It was so filling. So now that it's snack time, I really thought about a lot of things, but I feel like chai is the best snack as of now. One, my stomach is super full, and secondly, I love chai. So we have come to this place called as the Tea Time. So I'm going to be having chai there. So that will be pretty much it for my snack. So guys, here's what I'm having for snack. This is the tea. This retails for 12 rupees and this is a biscuit which retails for 3 rupees. So it is exactly 15 rupees. So this tea is actually called as dum tea. It seems it is actually popular in this place. So we are left with 60 rupees for dinner, which I feel is like okay, I can manage with that. Now before that tea gets super cold, let me quickly drink it. It's a little too sweet actually, but it's nice. Not the best tea I've had. This is not my favorite place or anything. I'm actually trying it for the first time, but it's good. It's not bad. It's too sweet. Did you ask him to add extra sugar? No. In general, also the tea is a little too sweet. I drink a lot of sweet tea, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's okay. And the biscuit, it is average too. Let's go have dinner. See you there. Bye bye. So guys, this is the final stop and it's for dinner. It's like an early dinner. So for dinner, I'm going to this place called Pista House. It is again one of my most favorite places. I should have actually taken sandwich in place of burger, but burger is also super nice there. So I ordered a veg burger and it retails for 60 rupees and that completes my challenge. I didn't even spend 1 rupee less or 1 rupee more. I spent exactly 250 rupees. The burger was for 60 rupees. So yeah, it's a really nice place. Like all of the things are really affordable there and they're yummy too. So yeah, you can check that place out. And guys, this is how the burger looks like. This is how the inside looks like. Not very appealing, but I promise it tastes good. And you can see the bill here. It retails for 60 rupees exactly. Guys, if you can see, the burger is like so super huge. It is as big as my hand. And now coming to the taste, I know how it tastes again. It is good, but it doesn't have every time wala taste, you know. I don't know why. All of my friends enjoy the chicken burger here, which retails for 90 rupees. But I really love the veg burger as well. So yeah, that is my dinner. So that is all for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel because that would mean the absolute world to me. And do let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to do more such challenges. I'll be happy to do that. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.